You ask AI a question. It gives you an answer, but it's not exactly what you meant. So you change the question. Then you change it again. Still, the answer doesn't feel right. That frustration isn't your fault. It doesn't mean you're doing something wrong. It usually means you're using the wrong model. Some models are better at reasoning. Some write code faster. Others explain things more clearly. But trying different models usually means switching apps, logging in again, buying new plans, and losing your focus. Crompt solves it. Crompt brings the best AI models together in one single place. Ask your question once and compare answers side by side. And when the real issue is how the question is asked, Crompt Enhancer improves it before the AI even responds. Crompt goes beyond chat. Create artifacts, search the web, generate images, analyze data, use think mode, and more. Everything works together in one smooth workflow. No app hopping, no guessing, no friction. Because real work doesn't need more AI. It needs control. Sign in to Crompt today. Try it for free